Yes, hello viewers. This is Hassan. Welcoming you back to my YouTube channel. But before we proceed, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos that I usually post. And in this video, we're going to look at research and AI. Yeah, research normally, as you hear the word research, is to trying. That is an act of trying to find out something. Yeah, that's research, and AI that's an abbreviation of artificial intelligence. So this provides you what you are usually searching for. And in this video, we are going to see how we use AI to make research. We have various AI tools. The browsers, the Google might act like that. We have ChatGPT, we have DeepSeek, we have various. We have that one of WhatsApp, which is called Meta AI. We have various research. So as you see, what I'm trying to do, so you can search anything you want. You can use this and type anything that you want to search for. Let us say, uh, uh, how many, how many, let us say districts are in Uganda. How many districts are in Uganda in 2025? So I have asked Google. That's the search that I've made, the search component that I've made, that I have used today. At this moment, I have used Google. So you can use various, but remember, this can only happen when your PC is connected to the internet. By the way, I had forgotten to tell you, this can only happen when your PC is connected to the Google. So sorry. So as I was saying, you can use also Google. So so this is what I was saying. You can also use Google to make your research. So as I was saying, like how many, any question you want, how many districts are in Uganda? So you can ask that one. So AI will provide the information that you're asking for. 146 districts. You see, that's how we normally. So you can use ChatGPT, you can use DeepSeek, any of your choice to make research. Yeah. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos that I usually make for you. Thanks. Yes, hello viewers, this is Hassan, welcoming you back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we're going to look at some of the errors that we normally make when using spreadsheet and how to correct those errors, yeah, to make your work enjoyable and interesting. But before we proceed, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting video that I usually make. Yes. In this, we are going to look, as I said, we are going to look at the Excel errors. And the first error is going to be it's called hash value. So this is good when you mislead. Should I call it a mislead? Okay, if you make an error in the formula that you are using, yeah, if you deteriorate your formula that you are using, that's when you get this error. Yes, as I was saying, we're going to look at the Excel errors, and the first error we're going to look at, that was the hash value. So this is, as I was saying, this error is made when you make a mistake in your formula or function. A case in point, we have these figures here, as you see. Let us say that I want to get the difference in these figures. We are having the first figure starting in A2, in cell A2 and B2. So I want to get the difference between those cells as you go down. So that will be equals, let us say it is A2, then minus B2. So that's what I'm trying to bring out. So if I press equals, the answer will be brought. That is it. So I copy it down. So those are the answers. So if you look keenly, this one has been taken to be 0, not subtracted to any. The same applies to the down one. But if I want, let us say that I meet missing, see, if I put missing, and also, you see, it will bring a value. That is an error. So it only consider the numbers that were given, but not the letters. The function only consider the numbers, but not the letters. So that means that I disrupted the formula. That hence bringing that error, the first error that I was talking about, the hash value. So how do you correct this error? The only way to correct this error is to remove that and that you pressed and then go back. That's the first error. Yeah, that's how you fix that. Yes, that was hash value. And how to correct it. Then the next error that we are going to look at, it will be hash name. So this is written when you make a mistake or in the naming of the function. Let us say we have a function that helps us to add in Excel. That is, let us say I'm making a function of sum equals sum, open brackets, yes, add, yes, close the brackets, then enter. So this function that I have used helps you to add. This is the function. So I get the answers. It is sum. It enables you to add. So if I make a mistake, instead of putting sum and I write equals add, shift open brackets, so you come, the way you did sum, all of us know that add and sum may seem to look similar, but that's not the case for with Excel. So you press, instead of pressing sum and you put add, that add is not indicated in the Excel sheet. So if you make that mistake of putting a certain word that you are supposed to add in the formula, automatically you will get that error. That is hash name. So how do we correct it? Simply, it is remove and write the correct formula equals sum open brackets, the range as the way you did, yes, the range, close the bracket, enter. So you get the appropriate answer that you are supposed to get. Yeah, that's hash name. Yeah, that was it. Then the next formula the next error that I want to look at, that I want us to look at, that is the hash ref. So this happens. This normally happens when you have some changes that, okay, you make a formula and then you make some changes within the data that you used, that formula was calculating. A case in point, I'm calculating equals sum equals sum. So I'm adding, that's what I'm adding, equals sum. So yeah, those are my answers. So after me adding, and those are my answers, okay, I get those are my answers. I then come back and I say no, I don't need this column. So I go ahead and I delete. There are some cases where we delete one column that you used and then you get that. But if I go ahead and I again remove that, the rest, entire column, yes, as I was saying, if you make some changes in the formula that you make, let us say that I have removed that column. Remember, I used that column that I've deleted to make the other formula, sorry, to get the previous answer in the previous column. So I also delete that one. Automatically you get that error. So that's, you get usually the hash ref, you get it when you make some okay, you use something to you use a function or formula to calculate a certain value, and then again you delete again you the values that you used. Let us say that you added 2 plus 4 and you got 6 the answer, and again afterwards, after getting the answer and again remove 2, automatically you get a shref. So that's it. Another error that will be div. Yeah, div. So this one is good when you divide a certain number by 0. Let us say 54 54 let us say divided by 0. Sorry. So you yes, the next error will be div. Div, you normally get this when you divide a number by 0. When you divide a number by 0, you get div. How? So let us say that I'm making okay, I'm having that is my 54. Divide that 54 by 0. Yeah. Close the bracket, and you see that's what we shall get. Div over 0. That is an error. So that error is got when you divide a number by 0. That indicates that you cannot divide a number by 0. That's impossible. So that's what you get. So there are various errors. There are error that continuous. That is normally got when you write a number, when you indicate a number in a cell that cannot fit there, the . So when you get that, you only increase the size of the cell. That's it, and you overcome that error. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting tutorial videos that I usually make. Thanks.